I'm Paul Soka. IB Masters Learning Centers.com. And today we're going to look at the ninth question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2. It is a hard set of math questions. Number 9 reads, Dataset A, Dataset B, each consists of 27 values. The table show the frequencies of the values for each dataset. Which of the following statement compares the means of the two datasets? So we've got to compare the means. So there's a way you can get this correct in just 5 seconds. First, it requires an understanding of what you've got here. So let's take for example here. If your value is 30, dataset A has two 30s, 30. Dataset B has 9 30s, 30. Okay, and it keeps going. 9 of them. And if you understand that, then it makes sense that the mean is going to be larger if there are more larger values. So check out dataset A. There's only two 30s. There's 9 46s. And as the numbers get bigger, there's more values. In other words, there's more bigger values for dataset A. Dataset B, there are fewer greater values. So since there are more greater values, dataset A is going to be greater than dataset B. Go to the answer choice, dataset A is greater than dataset B. A is going to be your answer. It's not less, not equal. There is enough information. A is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty identifying, comparing the means when you've got frequency tables like this. Is there any question you'd like to see answered for official PSAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments if you have a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything and check out that one video. If you go to IB Masters Learning Center on YouTube, it's the playlist you're looking for. Test 2 Module B, the hardest set of math questions, and the short videos underneath these longer videos. Have a great day.